If you're new to ASL, here are 30 ASL words that you will use in your everyday conversation. So make sure you sign in with me. So let's warm up your fingers and let's shake it. All right, are you ready? All right, hello. Hello. To sign hello, have your palm flat like this, put it on your forehead, on the side of your forehead, and you just bring it out like this, hello. Or you can just wave, hello. This is the same as bye, hello, or bye. Please. Please. To sign please, have your palm flat like this, put it on your chest, and you do a circular motion like this, please. Thank you. Thank you. To sign thank you, have your palm flat like this, put it on your chin, and you move it outward like this, thank you. And you're moving it to the person that you're thanking, right? Thank you. If I'm thanking someone over here, I say thank you. If I'm thanking someone over here, I say thank you, okay? Thank you. Sorry. Sorry. To sign sorry, have your dominant hand in the fist position like this, put it on your chest, and you do a circular motion. Sorry. Yes. Yes. To sign yes, have your dominant hand in the fist position like this. Your hands are closed like this, and you move it down and up. And while you're doing that, you're nodding your head, right? Like this. Yes. No. No. To sign no, have your 3 fingers out like this. Your thumb, your index, and middle finger joined like this, and you tap them on your thumb twice. No. While you're doing that, make sure you shake your head left and right. Help. Help. Have your dominant hand in the A position like this. Your thumb is out. Then you have your non-dominant hand palm flat like this. Put it under your dominant hand, and you move it towards your dominant hand like this. Help. 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 Once. Once. To sign want, have your 2 hands open like this. Bring it forward, and you move it towards you, curling your finger like this. Want. Need. Need. To sign need, have your hand in the X position like this, your index finger curled up like this, and you bring it down and you bring it up like this. Need. Twice. Need. More. More. Have your 2 hands closed like this, and you tap them on each other like this. More. Finish or all done. Have your 2 hands open like this. You move it back and front like this. Finish or all done. Bathroom. Bathroom. Have your hand in a T sign like this, tucking your thumb under your index finger like this, and you move it left and right. Left and right. Bathroom or toilet. Water. Water. To sign water, have your hand in the W sign like this, having your thumb and your pinky finger held like this, and your 3 fingers are up like this. Then you tap your index finger on your chin twice like this. Water. Eat. Eat. Have your dominant hand close up like this, and you move it towards your mouth like you're putting food in your mouth like this. Eat. Eat. Me or I. Have your index finger out like this, and you're pointing to yourself. That is putting it on your chest like this. Me or I. You. You. To sign you, have your index finger out like this, and you're pointing away from you, pointing at the person like this. You. Mom. Mom. To sign mother, have your hand out like this, and you take your thumb and you tap on your chin twice. Mom. Mom. Dad or father. Have your hand like for the sign mother, but this time you have your thumb on your forehead and you tap twice. Dad. Friend. Friend. To sign friend, have your 2 index finger out like this. You hook them on each other, right? So you hook it on top like this, then you switch it and hook it like this. Friend. Baby. Baby. Have your 2 hands out like this. You put your dominant hand on top of your non-dominant hand, and you swing it left and right like you're rocking the baby. Baby. Happy. Happy. Have your 2 hands out like this, put it on your chest, and you do an upward motion like this. Happy. Happy. sad, sad. To sign sad, have your two hands, bring it up in front of your face, and you drag it down like you're dragging your face like this. Sad, sad. Tired, tired. Have your two hands curled like this, right? The tip of the finger facing you like this, and you bring it on top of your abdomen or your tummy like this, and you bring it down, right? Tired, tired. Sick, sick. Sign sick, have your two middle fingers out like this. Take your dominant hand on your forehead and your non-dominant hand on your tummy, and you tap simultaneously twice. Sick, sick. Hurts, hurts. To sign hurt, have your two index finger pointing each other, and you twist your non-dominant hand like this. Hurt. Or you sign hurt like this. Hurt. That is, you're moving your two hands towards each other like this. Hurt. So hurt or hurt. So if your head hurt, you put it in front of your head and you do this. Head hurt or headache, right? If your tummy hurt, you do this. Tummy hurt or hurt. Learn. Learn. Have your non-dominant hand palm like this. Then take your dominant hand, put it on top of your non-dominant hand like you're picking something up, and you put it on your forehead, closing your fingers like this. Learn. Learn. Teach. Teach. Have your two hands palm closed like this. Put it in front of your forehead and you move it out twice like this. Teach. Work. Work. Have your two hands closed like this. Keep your non-dominant hand stationary, and you take your dominant hand and you tap on your non-dominant hand like this twice. Work. Work. School. School. To sign school, have your two hands palm flat like this. Keep your non-dominant hand stationary, and you take your dominant hand and you tap on your non-dominant hand twice like this. School. School. Love. Love. To sign love, have your two hands out like this, cross them, and you bring them on your chest like this. Love. This is the same as hug. Congratulations in learning your first 30 ASL words. So now I'm going to sign about 10 words, and I'll give you a second to see if you can remember the words you just learned. Are you ready? Okay. Good job in learning your first 30 words in ASL. If you want to learn how to put these words in sentences, please do well to watch my next video. That way you keep practicing and improving your ASL skills. So without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.